Instagram Reels versus Instagram Stories. Which should you be doing? Instagram Stories are images or videos that disappear after 24 hours. They're a great way to share what you're up to with your followers and keep them engaged. To create an Instagram story, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You can then take a photo or record a video. You can also add text, stickers, and filters to your story. When you're done, hit share, and your story will be added to your storyboard. Instagram Reels are videos that can be up to 60 seconds long. They're a great way to share your brand story and engage with your followers. To create an Instagram Reel, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select Reels. You can then record a video or add clips from your camera roll. You can also add text, stickers, and filters to your reel. When you're done, hit share, and your reel will be added to your storyboard. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels, and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.